up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So for today I am going to be doing another skincare video. This time is going to be focusing on the body. If you've been watching me for a bit, you know I've been doing a lot of skincare on my face. So today we're getting into the body. I am super self-conscious when it comes to my body, mainly just like my neck and like chest area, as well as my back. I definitely have a lot of issues, acne, hyperpigmentation, all that jazz. And then in addition to that, I also have eczema, like right here on my collarbone. You can't really tell because of the lighting and whatnot, but it's definitely darker here, as well as on my neck, and hopefully you can see that in the clip that I recorded earlier, so you can really see my skin. And so a lot of times, especially when I come on camera, I don't like to wear anything where like my chest is showing or anything. It's because I'm super self-conscious and I hate the way my skin looks. But I really want to start trying to improve these areas. I'm going to be getting my first back facial in a couple of weeks, and I'm really excited about that. But I was also very excited because a company reached out to me to try some of their products, and I was super excited. So I was sent a scrub as well as a body oil, and they are from Ancient Cosmetics. The scrub and the body oil are both Island Mango, and so I've been using both of them together for a few days now, like back to back, and I am in love with just the products in general. And did I mention that these products are from a Black owned company? You love to see it. So I'm just gonna get into it and what I like about them and all that jazz. So again, I don't like my skin, and so usually when I'm in the shower and I want to do some like exfoliation, I'll use a scrub that I just would pick up from Target, and it works okay for like rougher areas like your feet or something like that. But I noticed like lately the scrub has actually been more like detrimental than beneficial, and it would like almost hurt to use the scrub on my chest and my back, which is more sensitive. It actually started leading to like getting scratches on my face because the particles, like the sugar in the scrub, were like huge pieces of sugar, and it was doing a lot, and it would actually like burn when I would rinse the scrub off. So when it comes to the scrub, what I love about this one from Ancient Cosmetics is that the particles are very tiny. Hopefully you all see that in the clip that's showing, but it's very tiny, and it's just way more gentle. And then second of all of the what is it called? All the ingredients are natural, and I can pronounce everything on here. There's not that many. It's pure cane sugar, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, food coloring, and fragrance. So it's very basic, very simple. I love simple skincare and all natural. It just always works better than stuff that you cannot pronounce the ingredients. And so I love this. I don't have any problems with it burning or it hurting or anything like that. So if you do have sensitive skin, this, you're gonna love it, okay? And then in addition to that, I love the glow that it gives. It gives off just a very natural glow. Just using this, not even using the oil yet, it's gonna give you a nice glow. So if you see in the before video, my skin looks very dull and just boring and blah, but after I use this, it automatically just looks hydrated and just glowy, but not like too shiny or anything like that. It's just like a perfect, looks like just a natural glow, and I love that about it. And then secondly, we have the body oil. And so this is again all natural. It's safflower oil, grape seed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. I'm gonna get into the fragrance in a little bit, but this goes on amazing right after the scrub. It leaves my skin, well, the combination of it just leaves my skin so soft and buttery. Again, I'm still working on the appearance of my skin, but as for the texture, it used to have a ton of texture going on. Like, it was just rough and dry no matter what, or I would put do something to it and moisturize and all that, but then after a few minutes it starts back looking and feeling dry. But I don't have that issue with this, so I love it. And also about the oil, what I like is that it's not too heavy. It gives you that nice natural glow, like I said, but it doesn't leave you looking super shiny and you're sweating. It's just a really nice light oil, and so I really like that. And again, it's all natural, and I'm always here for that. And then I just want to get into the fragrance. So again, they sent me the Island Mango, which I found to be funny because mango is my fave. I love wearing orange and yellow. I love the fruit. I love I love mango drinks. I just love mango everything, and it just gives such a summer and spring vibe, and that is all that you get in the scent. The scent smells so good. My entire family says that they love the scent. And the thing about the scent is that it's not too overbearing. In middle school, guys would wear Axe and it would just be oh my god, you're doing too much. You don't get that with this. It's a nice smell, and you can definitely smell it, but it's not overpowering. So I love literally everything about this scrub and this oil, and I'm really eager to go onto their website and purchase a few more things for my skin to just really work on this, and probably some things for my face as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll have all of their information down below for you all to check it out. And that's it. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.